Well, we're gonna ring in a clock ambience here in about 8 minutes. So, right now, so there are going to be, I believe, 8 clocks going off. So, clocks in order, this is a Sears 7196 from 1976. This is the oldest one in the stack. That's gonna go off. Got it at Goodwill a few weeks ago for $2.99. Next one that's probably going to go off, this KMC from Kmart. I got it at the same Goodwill as that one for $3.99. It's going to be going off. And then next down is this one. This is a Sony ICF-C3W. This is the first one of these that I got. This one was made in 1989. And then next down, Sony IFC or ICF actually. These are this is an ICF-C2W, not IFC-C2W. This is an ICF-C3W. Now, despite it having a larger number, this is actually about a year older. Or, this is actually, well, not a year older. This is from 1986, so it's 3 years older. This makes an interesting chirp sound, so, but yeah, that one's going to be going off. Next down, this is a GE, this big one, GE 7-4695. This one was made in 1981. I got this at the 2020 Vintage Electronics Expo thing. Oh, by the way, this one came from a Salvation Army for $5. This one came from the same Goodwill as these other two, up top, for I think $3.99 or $2.99, something like that. Alright, next. These three, this one, and this one, I actually got yesterday. So, this one is another Sony ICF-C3W. Well, this one's a year older than this one. This one's from 1985, whereas this one's from 86. So I got this yesterday. It makes the same chirp sound, although this one's like about half as fast as this one. This one chirps at about 2 chirps per second. This one's about 1 chirp per second. So I got this at a Salvi for $4.99, as you can see. Next one, this is another Sony ICF-C2W. But this one, similarly to how this one's a year older than the first one I got, this one's a year older than the first one of these I got. This one's from 1988, whereas this one's from 1989. But yeah, this one's gonna go off. It sounds pretty much exactly the same as that one. I paid 99 cents for it at Goodwill. And last but not least is this cursed Soundesign thing from 1987, I believe. Sometime around that. I mean, of course it's from 1987. Look at it. But yeah, this will be going off. I do believe I paid $7.99 for it at Goodwill, and it's at the same Goodwill as this one and all these other ones that are from Goodwill. Yeah, all the ones from Goodwill came from the same Goodwill. Now this GE, you might hear the radios kind of going on right now. The GE ones are weird in that if you want it to sound the buzzer, the first 9 minutes that it's going off, it'll sound the radio, and then after 9 minutes it turns on the buzzer. So, I set this to go off at 6:51, so, in 9 minutes, so that way, like, 9 minutes later, at 7 o'clock, it would actually go off. So, yeah, we're gonna ring in everything here in just a couple minutes. Alright, so we're in position here. They're kind of... I have 2 camera type things rolling. I'm only going to keep audio from this camera, though, so you'll see in which order they go off, though. all of them. So I'm going to start turning them off now. And that's it. I think that's all. I think that's everything. Ooh, yeah, I think that worked out really well. Well, there you go. There's your clock ambience for 7 o'clock tonight on, what time is it? Or what date is it, rather? It is, yeah, January 24th, 2021. So, there you go. Yeah, there's a clock ambience. So, a professional one, at least. This is what New Year's would have been if I had it here, but yeah, that's all. So, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more crap. See ya.